Now we're going to sew a collar with a bound edge. For this type of collar, you actually put the fabric pieces together. That's different to all your other collars that you would do. And I have stitched all the way around with a large stitch, so it can't go anywhere, and the fabrics are securely together. And then I add the binding all the way around the edge. It's not a centimetre seam allowance, but only foot width. I do not pin this because I have more control when I can pull it a little bit as I go along than if I have all the pins. They do really just get in the way, so try without the pins. So I'm going around the curve here again, and you can see that is tricky. Now we want to cut the seam allowance back a bit, and then you can see how that automatically rolls to the outside. And when you cut it back, you don't want to cut it back lots and lots. There's no need for it, just a little bit. And now we're stitching exactly on the edge again, and we're making sure that we pull it right out and then fold it over so it goes over that initial stitching line. It's a little bit like what we did with a bow pocket, if you've made that one. For your coat, you already know that trick, and then from the other side it'll look as good as it does from that side. So